Hey, what's up guys? Mao here for Unbox Everything. Today we are taking a look at this. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. This is the successor to one of the most popular and one of the most highly rated fitness trackers, the Mi Band 3. So now they've released just recently the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. We're gonna be taking a look at it and I'll show you what's new about this one and yeah, if it still holds up as one of the best fitness trackers for 2019. Let's see if it's something worth you picking up for yourself. Could this be your first fitness tracker? We'll check it out. But before we get into the unboxing, I'd just like to thank GearBest for sponsoring this video, for sending over the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 and making this video review possible. So let's get straight into the unboxing. Take a close look first at the box. It's got that really nice design on the 4. Really clean box, not a lot of stuff. So let's get right into it. Alright, so in here, of course, we've got the Mi Band itself. Put that to the side for now. Inside here, we've got some literature, manual, and then over here we've got the charger. So that's kind of a short cable, but yeah, this is where the smartwatch or fitness band is gonna be charging. This is the charging dock. Alright, so let's get right into the actual fitness tracker. So let's open it up. Wow, that looks really nice. So the first thing you want to do before you connect the device is you want to download the Mi Fit app. That's what's going to be controlling and connecting to the fitness tracker. Alright, so when you're in the app, note that you do not need to pair the Bluetooth to the Mi Band. Make sure that they are not yet paired to each other on your Bluetooth. You want to pair it through the app, so you're going to click here on tap to pair. Then you're going to click on band. There we go, confirm, pair to the phone. Yes. Paired successfully. So now we're gonna put the band on. So it's got this really nice silicone band. We just put it on like this. Slide it through there. You want it to be a nice tight fit, but still comfortable. There we go. So here is the Mi Band on my wrist. The silicone feels really nice. It's really comfortable to wear. It's really light, so you're barely gonna notice that you're even wearing anything. So I'd say it feels really good on the wrist. One setting that I turned on is the lift wrist to view info. That way I don't need to press the button every time I want to check the watch. I can just lift it and it's gonna turn on just like that. So as you can see here, the difference is up front. You can see already the big difference is that it's got that full color display. So as the Mi Band 3 was black and white, this one's got a full color display. So one of the best things about the display is not just that it's slightly bigger, just by a bit, it's slightly bigger than the last one, but also, yeah, it's got that full color display and it's got double the resolution. So it's got double the resolution of the last Mi Band, so everything's just gonna be a lot clearer, a lot crisper, easier to read, and also it's a lot brighter than the last one, so if you're out in daylight, you're gonna be able to read this pretty easily. And another great thing about it is that to compensate for the brand new screen, which takes up more energy, they put up the battery to 135 mAh, which is bigger than the last one, but now it can have the same amount of battery life as the last one, despite the brand new display. So it can last around 20 days on a single charge. So for me, that's pretty good and really convenient. So now let's take a look at the features of the Mi Band 4. So if we swipe here, we've got status, so you can see your steps, the distance you've taken, and the calories that you've burned. Obviously, I just set it up, so I've got nothing. The next one is the heart rate, so you can get your heart rate. As with all fitness trackers, it's got a workout, so under the workout, you can do things like outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, and it's even got pool swimming. So yeah, you can swim with this Mi Band and track your swimming fitness stuff. And yeah, so it's waterproof, no need to worry about it. Track your swimming. Next, we've got the weather, so you can check that, check what the weather is. Cool, cool, cool. Then you got notifications, so you can actually check the notifications on your phone. Right now I have no notifications, but that's okay. Next up, there is more. Under more, you've got do not disturb, you've got alarms, so you can set alarms easily, and music. So if you're listening to music, you should be able to control your music from your fitness tracker. There's a stopwatch, there's a timer, find your device. If you lost your phone, it can ring it from the smart band, and then turn it on silent, band display. So here, you can change your display. Hey, those look pretty good. That looks really nice. That looks nice. That's all. There's only 3, but it's not limited to the 3. I'll show you more that you can get later. Now if you go into the app, there's a lot more things you can do, like band display settings. So here, as you can see, there's a whole library of stuff you can download, different watch faces. So whatever you want, there's a lot over here. You know, there's a lot to choose from. There's even custom, where you can customize your own watch face. So there's a lot that you can do there. Pretty cool. Also, it shows you the battery, so I'm only at 16%. So that was just a quick look at the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 and a quick setup to show you guys how it works and to show you all the features that comes in this fitness tracker. So my overall impressions, I really like the way that it looks, really minimalist. I like the way it feels, not heavy, really comfortable, and I like the interface. And more than anything, I love the new display. The brand new display is probably the best feature of this. And the great thing is that it still stays at a super budget friendly price. So this just might be the best bang for your buck fitness tracker out there if you're planning to get one of these. So hey, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think that this could possibly be the best fitness tracker for 2019? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and found value in it, please give me a like. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more weekly content just like this one. And hey, if you want to check out more of my tech reviews, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing video you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. Again, I'd like to thank GearBest for sending over this Xiaomi Mi Band 4 and making this review possible. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything.